welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to me so you can watch the rest of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing my March Birchbox unboxing. First off, I really like the packaging because I feel like it perfectly fits March. Like, since the last box was pink, I was looking for something different this month. I feel like I'm a little late because I've been kind of just like forgetting to film it, but I'm here, I'm going to film it. My April one is coming soon. If you guys have any recommendations on different subscriptions I can do, let me know and I can do that too because I want to try new things too. I want to try different things and I want to do interesting things. I think I've had Birchbox for about 5 months now. I like the packaging this month. It kind of just gives like a lavender like look to it. Very purple, flowery. I like that. I feel like that kind of describes March. This kind of just like makes me excited for spring, which I really like. So the first thing, I have this card. The first thing in my box is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I'm guessing this is a moisturizer. Let me read it. The full size retails for $29.50 to $49.50. So I'm guessing this is like, there's multiple sizes to it. It's this creamy moisturizer instantly absorbs without feeling greasy thanks to desert plant extracts and nourishing squalane. Apply to clean skin morning and evening. It looks like a pretty good size. Let me smell it because you know how I am, like I'm big on scent. So let me see what it smells like. Oh wow. Well, it doesn't really smell like anything. It's completely white. It doesn't have a scent to it, which is okay. I still want to try and I want to see what it looks like on my skin and what it feels like. Okay, so the next things are the shampoo and conditioner, and I feel like, I'm gonna be honest, I feel like with my Birchbox, since I've had it, I haven't had a good experience with the shampoos and conditioners I've gotten. And then this looks familiar. Let me show you. It's the Beauty and Planet. I feel like this is a new brand because I just started hearing about it and I feel like this is a really good size. I'm actually really excited about this. And I saw this at the drugstore too. I didn't expect to see it, but I did. And I just like really can't wait to try these. It's the Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Shampoo and Conditioner. The full size retails for $9. That's pretty good. So for the shampoo, it says your hair will be bouncy and soft after washing with this color safe, paraben, and silicone free shampoo. And then for the conditioner, this paraben and silicone-free conditioner with coconut water formula lightly hydrates hair without weighing it down. Nice. After shampooing, apply from mid-lengths to ends, then rinse. That smells amazing. With the last shampoo and conditioner I tried with Birchbox, it's like the Divines one, and I feel like the scent was not good. It just didn't smell good. It didn't do anything for my hair except make it feel very dry. I don't know why, that's how I felt, but these smell really good. So the next item is this Peak Beauty Natural Plumping Balm. I'm not gonna lie, I actually tried this before because I really needed something for my lips, and I saw this in my box and I'm like, oh, I should probably try it. Like, I just want, what is on my, oh, okay, it's marker, I think. I just want to try something because I'm going out. I need something just real quick, like a lip balm. This was not what I expected. It definitely is a plumper, but I didn't read it beforehand, so I was like, why is it burning? That's why it's like a lip plumper. And I already tried it. So it comes in this little compact like little thing. And the shade, I thought it was gonna be more of like a pink. I actually don't like the smell. I didn't really smell last time, but it smells like just like, I don't know, I don't like the smell, but this is what it looks like. It's a cute color. I definitely would wear it again. I just wasn't expecting it because like when I put my finger in there, it literally was so like, it felt like I like ruined it. Like it just very, I don't know how to explain. It's like thin and it's not very solid like a lip balm would be. But yeah, that was okay. It just kind of got, it was like messy and I didn't like that. But I'm going to still give it another try. I'm gonna see how it goes because I liked the color and it was actually very hydrating for my lips. And I wore it to work, so like I felt like my lips were hydrated throughout work, which I really liked. So yeah, I'm gonna give that another try. So the last item I have is a Smashbox item, which I'm super excited about because I've been waiting for like a Smashbox item. So this is the Photo Finish Radiance Primer. The full size item is $39. It says, get glowing with this primer made with microfine amber, bronze pearls, and hyaluronic acid to boost radiance. Apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin. Wear alone or under makeup. I didn't know you could wear this without makeup, which I'm really excited about. I just really like primers, and I feel like I need to just like get more primers. So I know Smashbox has a few primers, and I hope I like this, because if I do like this, then I'll definitely get the full size. So yeah, I'm gonna see how this goes. I do want to do like a review with all the products that I've tried with Birchbox. If you want me to do that, make sure to click the like button. This is pretty much it for the Birchbox this month. I like these products and I'm excited to try them. They're different, and they haven't been brands I've really tried except like the Smashbox. But yeah, I'm excited, so we'll see. If you liked this video, make sure to click the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!